Hi, in this video we are going to see PowerPoint actions. So basically actions perform on the any kind of image or shape is there available on our slides, and if you want to add some action we can do that. How we can add the action is, to add action we have to go to the insert, and from the links group we will be having action button. We can click on this and we will be having two type of actions. If you see on the screen, we have the mouse click and another is mouse over. So mouse click is if when we click on the left key on the icon, that is a mouse click, and mouse over means whenever we are making our mouse cursor available on the any like shape range. So this is the shape range. If we are making our mouse cursor in the in that area, it will call mouse over. So what are the action we can perform all in all these two? So we can perform actions like we can add, for by default if you go and see it will be none only, but we can click on the hyperlink to, we can hyperlink to the any slide, next slide, previous slide, first slide, last slide, right, on the this same PPT. Then in the so all these things we can do that. And slides, if you want to I want to go on any particular slide, we can click on that, and then we will be having some URL. If I want to go to the URL, we can put, say for example, www.google.com. so as soon as if I click on that, and while on the presentation mode, if I click on that, the google.com will be get open. Then again we have we can run some program. If we what are the application, what are the programs is there, we can give the name here and we run that. And the similar way, if you have some micro code micro available on your PPT, you can very well you can run on it. Then object action, as of now I'm not able to see it because it will be particularly especially available on the only on the objects. And same way we can play some sound. If I want to say, like applause, all these things will be we can add. So let's see all these things in action. So first thing we will see that how we can link to the hyperlink. I need some shape or any image, so I click on this image and let's take this as image, and let me draw here. Okay, now I want to apply that some action on this. Just click on this, select this and click on the insert and go to the action, and first mouse click we will see. So we will see hyperlink, link to, say first we will see that previous slide. So previous slide is this. Okay, this third slide is previous slide. I click OK. If I'll go to the present to take the action, right, we have to go to the presentation mode. I put shift F4, sorry, shift 5, and as soon as I click here, you will observe that it went to the second slide. Okay, then this is the link. Yeah, we will be having some more options on this hyperlink. So if I click on this one, and if you observe that this is the previous slide, the same way we can have first slide, last slide viewed, and end, so right. Then you have the URL. Let me put some URL here, very simple one. I'll try to put google.com. okay, and if you click OK, if you have net connected on your system, so it will be working. Let me I'm connected with the net now. So if you see, I'm able to get that, let browser launched, and I can see the Google that URL, any URL you can put. Now again let me see what next we have on over there. So yes, other file, any notepad file or any Excel file, if you having, you want to get open, you can do it. Let's see if I have something readily available. I have simple notepad. I'll click on this and click OK, and if you observe, let me put F5 and I'm clicking on this. I should be getting a notepad file open, so I can I can edit something if you want, and we can save it. Okay, this is how we can link to the not only notepad file, any file you can add it. Now in action, next what we have one run program. So if any program yeah, you available, right, you can type it and you can run it, any like notepad, Excel, anything you can run. Then third one is a micro. If you want to run any micro, you can run it. As of now I have created a very small micro over there. I'll attach to that and click OK. I'll try to run on this slide. Shift 5 F5 and click on this. If you see that, like, this micro is giving one small message box. This is the simple micro shown on the demo, on the run demo, how you can run the demo. So whenever I click on that, you can have very large micro, and that can be attached and run here. Okay, the next option is, let me go to that. Action on object. So I should be having one object. To insert that object, we have to click on the insert and go to the object. This is the small box object, and here we can create from file. We can create a new if you wanted, and if you want to create from file, I'll go with the create from file and browse that location where my file is. Let's see if I have something here. This Excel I'll attach, and I click on display as icon here. I click on this save. So let me make it little bit bigger and move here somewhere, and now I'll apply some action on that. I click on the action, and now the object action got highlighted. So as of now we have two options. One is a open and one is a edit. If I click on open, it will get open. It should get open. I'll put shift F5, and if I click here, the Excel file got open. Let me close this one, and this is how we can apply the action on our object. So this action on object will not available on the normal any shape or any picture you are going to apply, right? And that time it will be not option. There is no option because it cannot perform that is not object, and hence no action will perform. Now next we have the play sound. Let me click on the play sound, and at this point I'll put applause and click OK. If I run it, shift F5 and I click here, right? So similar way we can have larger sound wise or anything. If you have custom, right, we can attach to it. So that's all for this video on the mouse click, and in next video we will be covering how we can use mouse over. Thank you so much for watching.